आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो, क्योंकि ये बड़ी देर से इंतज़ार कर रहे थे हम कि ये ऐसा मोहम्मद हारिस हमें कब दिखेगा। सो फाइनली आपने जलवा दिखाया और क्या कमाल की ऑलराउंड परफॉर्मेंस।
रमीज़ भाई बहुत शुक्रिया, और पहले तो पाकिस्तान को मुबारक हो, और बिल्कुल मेहनत करता रहा, और PSL में भी जो गलतियाँ की थी उससे सीखने की कोशिश की, और कोशिश यही की कि सीरीज़ में मौका मिला है और अपॉर्चुनिटी है, इसको ज़ाया नहीं करना।
आपको पता है आप पहले पाकिस्तानी बैट्समैन बने हैं जो कि आउटसाइड ओपनर्स जिसने सेंचुरी लगाई है। सो इस इनिंग्स में आपने क्या चीज़ डिफरेंट की, या कुछ चीज़ ज़्यादा डिफरेंट नहीं, क्योंकि मैं देख रहा हूँ कि हजामत तो खासी है, चौके छक्के तो वैसे ही मारे आपने।
रमीज़ भाई इस चीज़ में इस इनिंग्स में स्पेशली ये डिफरेंट था कि मैंने कोई हैवी शॉट नहीं मारी जो मैं नेचुरली मारता हूँ। मैंने कहा कि सिंपल रहना है और वॉच द बॉल एंड प्ले द बॉल।
स्ट्राइक रेट आपका माशाल्लाह से मैं देख रहा था सीरीज़ में, इस इनिंग्स में नहीं सीरीज़ में, इसके ऊपर ख़ास तवज्जो दे रही है टीम।
जी बिल्कुल, टीम भी दे रही है, और टीम का इस वक्त जो है मकसद भी यही है कि तेज़ स्ट्राइक रेट से खेलना है, और जो दुनिया क्रिकेट खेल रही है उसको फॉलो करना है। अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह वो तीनों मैचों में आपको एज ए टीम नज़र भी आ रहा है।
हम बात नहीं करते हैं कि कीपर बैट्समैन के लिए कितना मुश्किल होता है ये ऑलराउंड एबिलिटी रखना, क्योंकि कीपिंग भी एक टफ जॉब है। कीपिंग में कितने खुश हैं आप, क्योंकि आपके कैचेस भी हैं, स्टंपिंग भी है।
रमीज़ भाई खुश इसलिए हो क्योंकि 1-2 कैचेस बड़े अच्छे लिए, और जो पीछे मेहनत करता आ रहा था उसका सिला मिल रहा है, और कोशिश करूंगा कि अब मज़ीद मेहनत करता रहूं और पाकिस्तान के लिए ऐसे मैचेस जितवाता रहूं।
एक चीज़ जो अच्छी करते हैं आप जब कीपिंग करते हैं तो खामोशी इख्तियार करते हैं, सो हमारे लिए कमेंट्री बॉक्स में वो बड़ा उसका सुकून रहता है।
जी बिल्कुल रमीज़ भाई, बॉलर अक्सर कहते रहते हैं कि मुझसे ज़्यादा बात नहीं करनी, और जो प्लान होता है प्लान ए उसको सिर्फ याद दिलाना होता है और वो अप्लाई करते हैं।
बहुत आला खेले, आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारक है, रिचली डिजर्व करते हैं आप ये अवार्ड।
थैंक यू।
Well, we'll try a lot better performance than the last game. How disappointed are you that you couldn't close it out?
Definitely, we didn't bowl well, but still, last 2 games we didn't feel well and bat well. Maybe this game we batted really well on this track.
Bowling has been an issue, is it? Or do you think that it was such a beautiful pitch that you needed more runs?
No, definitely it's a good wicket, but still you have to learn how to bowl different batsmen. Different batsmen have weakness and strong point. We have to think about that and then bowl.
What have been the bright spots for Bangladesh in this 3 T20 series? I mean, Imran looked absolutely world class at the top of the order.
Yeah, definitely. Imran and Tamim, they started very well. Not only Imran and Tamim, most of the guys, they put up in hand and they did their job.
There are a lot of fans in the crowd as well, so Bangladesh is a popular side, and so thank you for coming here and playing this series. It means a great deal to the fans. What do you have to say about the Bangladesh fans back home also?
Yeah, definitely. The crowd was very amazing. You never feel that because they are all supporting the both team, really. They enjoying the game, and I hope they will, whenever the Pakistan play, they will come again and watch the game. And I'm really sorry about Bangladeshi fan. We couldn't win any game, but hopefully we'll come back.
Inshallah. Best of luck and thank you for making this trip.
Thank you.
सलमान इंग्लिश में कि उर्दू में?
सर
इंग्लिश में कह रहे हैं, चलें जी अंग्रेजी फिर तैयार करना है। This is a huge win for you. After 3 years, we were able to whitewash a visiting side. What does it mean to you as a leader?
It's a massive win. I'm very happy the way boys played, and the great thing was the cricket we wanted to play, the brand of cricket we want to play. We play all three T20s in all 3 departments. This is the way we want to go forward and do well in every single game we play, because people associate with us like we do well in one game and then we don't do well in other games. We want to be a consistent team. We want to do well every single game and every single series.
What was good about today was that you challenged yourself. After winning the toss, you could have easily batted again and probably bat them out of the game. But this is a good mindset. This is good thinking where you want to test yourself.
Yeah, this is in international cricket. Teams will come and test you, and we want to test ourselves. We want to put ourselves in a situations where like things go difficult, and the pressure will come. So we want to prepare these kind of situation as well. And yeah, we wanted to chase from like the way we won last 2 games and we won the series. And I always wanted to chase in this game because I wanted to put under pressure boys.
That's right. I mean, let's come to the good points. Saim Ayub back in form. He really looked good. Mohammad Haris at number 3. Obviously, he's a match winner on the day when he bats like this. So these have been really strong points for you.
When I became a captain, the one thing I thought, winning is very, very important. Winning a game for Pakistan is important. But for me, Haris, Saim and Hassan, if in my captaincy they don't become a match winners, I think that will be a failure. So this is what I'm working on, and if they become match winners, we will win most of the games. So my focus on them and the other teams as well. So for me, I want to make a match winners. So if I manage to do that, the result will follow.
Have you been able to convince Hassan Nawaz to bat in the middle order?
He's very happy batting middle order. He doesn't want to bat open anymore.
Yeah, I know. He's a real find for you, right?
I told you other day as well. He's someone for the future, and he's a generation talent. He just need to go, like, keep focus and keep going like that, and he will become a match winner for Pakistan.
The match winner tonight, other than your team, was the crowds. I mean, how good was the crowd today? It was a dead rubber, dead game in a way, but they responded brilliantly.
To be honest, I heard like before the series the crowd will not come, but the way they come in numbers, I think it's outstanding. Lahore is something you associate that they come in numbers, and I'm very thankful to them. And keep supporting us like that, and keep coming. We will entertain you.
All right, okay. Well done. It's a great series win. It instills a lot of confidence in the fans also. So this win was absolutely desperately needed. You can now go and lift the trophy.
Thank you.
Okay.